Okay, we're going to take a look at HaikuDeck. HaikuDeck is one of the new apps that the elementary iPads are going to have loaded on them, and HaikuDeck allows you to create a really beautiful and engaging presentation. So when you first launch HaikuDeck, it's going to give you a little tour. There's two sample decks here for you to go through. I really recommend that you go through both of them. The second one here is really particularly interesting. It gives you some ideas on how to use HaikuDeck. So students can use it to create ideas, to summarize a talk, if they're going to do a reflection on a story, a way to send a message, share a story, introduce yourself, inspire a group, teach a lesson, or just ignite some sort of movement. So kind of cool here. We're going to go back out to the main menu and I'm going to show you how to create one. Down here on the lower menu bar there is a plus sign. We're just going to hit that plus sign and we're going to name our presentation. So we're going to call this Geography. This is the Geography HaikuDeck, and there we go. We're going to load the slides here. When it first starts up at the top, we can always go back to our main menu, but notice it says theme here and it gives me a little pull down. I can change the look of this. We'll just go choose the 575 and we'll push the theme back up and we're ready to tap and edit. So I'm going to do my geography presentation on the African continent, and we're going to just give it a subtitle, The Land of the Wild. So pretty cool here. Now, when I'm done with the text, I can also choose to add an image, and it's going to pull the keywords that I typed in, and it's going to find images that relate to that word. So if I select Africa here, it's going to give me a bunch of different pictures that are coming from the Creative Commons. So I don't have to worry about any kind of copyright issues here. Let's say I really like an image. I'm just going to choose that. Now, over on the right-hand side, I have these little sliders I can turn on and off. So I can give the text a little bit of background, or I can choose to turn that off. I can use an image, the one I selected, or I can use a background color. Let's say I just wanted it to be a plain image, or a plain color. I could do that as well. But I really like the image I chose. However, I don't like the words where they are. I'd rather them be up in the top left corner, so I have these different locations or layouts for the wording. So there's the first slide of my presentation, and now I'm going to add a slide by tapping on the plus button in the lower right hand corner. And again, I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to find some animals here. A big and herdy, I'm going to call that for my elephant. And now I'm going to go to my pictures, and again it's going to pick up from the words that I typed in, and it's going to allow me to search for some images. So I like this image right here of an elephant. I'm going to turn my background off on my text, and I'm going to choose to put my text again up in the, let's go top left hand corner. If I wanted to, I could split them like that or so. I could also center them. I could also put them something like that. So that's kind of nice. Let's just go with that. And I'm going to add another slide. And so you get the idea here of how this is working to build a nice slideshow that students. It's really student friendly. I can choose images. I'm going to choose from cheetah, and away we go. So that's a nice little one right there. Take my text off, choose a different layout, and we have a beautiful presentation. When I'm done, I can hit done with it, and up in the top right hand corner I can choose to view it and see what this looks like as I slide back and forth. Here's what my presentation is going to look like. I'm going to tap and go back to the main menu. If I want to send this out or share it, I'm going to click on the share, and I have these options in which I can share it. So that is HaikuDeck. Enjoy using that and build some great presentations.